Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upgrade your Mailerlite account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the login button and sign in with your credentials. And then, once you are logged into your account, all right, I want you to access the billing section that is found on the account settings in the left side panel of your dashboard where it has a gear icon. Or you can simply go to the upper right corner where you can see the My Profile. Click the account settings here. Now in this section, I want you to click the Plan and Billing. You see there is an option here that says Upgrade. All right, so right now I'm using the free plan, which I have like kind of a limited tools and access to the platform. But if you click the upgrade button, you would be forwarded to the new page we're in. All I have to do is choose from any of the following plans that fits your budget, needs, and goals. You can go for the best value of the advanced plan, which is $18 per month, and you can have all these perks and benefits that you might want to take advantage of. The second bill is going to be the growing business, which is $9. And the free one is obviously here. But if you want the enterprise, which is kind of like a big commitment, you might want to schedule a call or book a demo with the sales team. Just click the contact us option. You can also choose from your native currency. If you're using US dollars or European currency, you can choose from any of the following. For example, I'm going to be choosing USD and I'm going to select the growing business. If I click the upgrade plan, what will happen is, you see there is two options here. You can be invoiced as an individual. Your first and last name will be displayed in the invoice, or as a company, all right? And all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. For example, we're going to be using a credit card, all right, or using a PayPal. If you're using a PayPal, you just click this option, and you would be forwarded to the PayPal checkout, and then just follow the on-screen instructions. If you're using the credit card right here, all right, just click this option. And then if you want to add a new payment method, for example, like a debit, right here, just click on confirm, and you would be forwarded to the checkout process. There should be an email confirmation for that, and you would be able to upgrade your plan in no time. Alternatively, if you're having problems upgrading your account, you might want to go to the customer support service, and from here type in your question, put in your full name and contact email address, and that would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to upgrade your Mailerlite account if you encounter any issues or trouble. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.